All right, I didn't start off like this, okay? I was a hot mess starting off, and I made a lot of mistakes. The first big mistake I made was taking a dump in the gym. I mean, oh my God, I ran so fast to that toilet, it hurt. Why? Because I ate a burrito the night before, and I wasn't thinking. So I ran straight for the bathroom stall, and guess what? While I was doing my business, somebody else comes in. And so what I had to do, I had to hide my feet like this so he won't see my feet and my shoes, because if he see my shoes, he can know who I am. So that's the first mistake. And he's gonna be mad at you the whole time you're working out. You're not gonna get a good workout. So don't use the bathroom over there, okay? Just kidding, all right? Out of all seriousness, make sure you prepare properly, okay? Wake up ahead of time, make sure you go in the bathroom at home, get all that stuff done so that when you get there, you can work and get to your goals faster and get the heck out of there. The second one, all right, the mistake that I made going into this fitness journey of mine was the fact that I didn't have any goals. I mean, if you have any goals, where the hell do you know where you're going? That's the mistake I made. So prepare yourself, you guys. Make sure you know what you're doing, and most importantly, make sure where you're headed. Set good goals, okay, and build a plan so that you can accomplish them and crush them.